Today, we're talking about a man famous for peace, whose empire was built on, well, destruction. In 1888, Alfred Nobel read these words in a newspaper. The shocking part? It was his own obituary. The paper got it wrong. His brother had died. But this gave Nobel a horrifying peek at his own legacy. Nobel's fortune came from one thing: taming nitroglycerin. It was way, way more powerful than gunpowder.
See, nitroglycerin doesn't just burn, it detonates. An instant, massive energy release, which made it so dangerous.
People were dying just handling the stuff, so Nobel made it his personal mission to control it. His first big invention wasn't about safety. Nope, it was about making it explode exactly when you wanted it to. And wow, did it work. Mining progress shot up by more than 75%, almost overnight.
But it was still incredibly dangerous. A factory explosion even killed his own younger brother. That pushed him harder.
He found that this powder, basically fossilized algae, soaked up the liquid and turned it into a stable paste. He called it dynamite. It was just as powerful, but suddenly it was safe enough to actually handle. Dynamite literally reshaped our world, making huge construction projects like these possible for the very first time. But he wasn't finished. Next, he turned to warfare, tackling a problem armies had for centuries: smoke. His solution was ballistite, the world's first smokeless gunpowder, a massive advantage on the battlefield. And just like that, his transformation was complete. The industrialist was now one of the world's biggest arms dealers. His justification? He thought if he made war horrific enough, nations would be forced to just give it up. But his safe powder also became the weapon of choice for terrorists, linking his name with chaos. Which brings us back to that obituary. He was horrified to be remembered for killing people faster than ever before. So, facing a legacy of death, Nobel planned one final huge invention: to completely rewrite his story. In his will, he left 94% of his entire fortune, almost all of it, to create a series of prizes. These prizes would go to people who gave the greatest benefit on mankind. A complete 180. It was maybe the greatest PR move in history. And you know what? It totally worked.
So what do you think? A true change of heart or the ultimate rebrand? That's a question worth asking.